नमस्ते, हमेशा खुश रहो बिटिया। दिस इज JVN डॉक्टर मीनाक्षी सोनी, फैकल्टी ऑफ होम्योपैथिक साइंस, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ होम्योपैथिक रेपर्टरी, ज्योति विद्यापीठ, वुमेन्स यूनिवर्सिटी, जयपुर. This is my session number 19. Today's my topic is introduction of the Kant repertory. Kant's repertory belongs to the classification of logical utilitarian type because it has a logic behind its construction and has a utilitarian function. In the latter half of 19th century, there developed two prominent school of philosophers, as Puritan group and the Bonninghausen school. Both group had their own merit and demerits. Sources of the Kant repertory: Therapeutic Pocketbook, over importance to concomitant symptom. Kant said that these concomitant are against the principle of Hahnemann. This is generalization of the particular modalities or mixing up general modalities, imaginative guesswork, and also breaking up of system. Slippe symptoms confused with modalities. So he can take some rubrics from the Lippe's repertory. Jaha repertory, too much emphasis on clinical symptom. Hampel, symptom written in word of prover, and this may lead to confusion. So he can take some information from Hampel, but not more than. Nair repertory, clinical symptom, toxicological extract, observation taken from Nair, and some information from the Gentry repertory. Editions of the Kant repertory: first edition 1897, second 1908, third edition 1916, fourth edition 1935, fifth edition 1945, sixth edition 1957, and 1961 Indian edition. Seventh edition, Dr. P. Smith combined the Indian edition and American edition, generally called the revised edition. Dr. Kant held that repertory was only a compilation at best and the all reliable symptom were the property of homeopath. He gathered together all that he was in earlier repertory symptom recorded in the fundamental works of Materia Medica and added his own notes and note of other practitioners. Kant repertory was based on the philosophy of the deductive logic, that is from general to particular. Dr. Kant divided the symptom as general symptom, which is divided into mental and the physical general, and the particular symptom and common symptom. The repertory is constructed in such a way that every case can be worked out from general to particular. The advantage of such process is that the remedies which have a particular symptom may not have a specific modality which is needed for the case. In that case, if you work out only with a particular subrubric, you are at risk of missing out a remedy, which may fact till that point of time may be an observed modality of the drug. How to work out a case with the Kant repertory. In his preface to the Kant repertory, he emphasizes that after taking the following case and guidelines laid down by Hahnemann in his Organon of Medicine, aphorism number 83 to 140, one should write all the mental symptom and the all condition predicted of the patient himself and search the repertory for the symptom corresponding to those. Then search for physical symptom as are predicted of the blood color, discharge, bodily aggravated, ameliorated, and include any changes in the body. Then individualize still further using the symptom predicted for the organ function, sensation, always given prime importance to time of occurrence. Then examine the symptom picture collectively and individually. And lastly, go to the Materia Medica for further clarification of the remedies. Evaluation of the remedy. He used three grade in his typography. Bonninghausen and Boger gives 5 grade. According to Kant, bold 3 marks, first grade. Felt strongly by the prover, majority of provers frequently confirmed. Italic 2 marks, second grade, out of brought out of by a few provers, have not been confirmed by occasionally verified. Roman represent 1 mark, third grade. verified by curing patients who accept it as clinical symptom. These three grades are given by Dr. Kant. Kant Repertory contains total 37 chapters. In previous edition of the Kant Repertory, these chapters are 33. But in the sixth edition, in every chapter, arrangement of rubric is alphabetical. But in the sixth edition, these chapters are divided into 37 because particular chapter of the urinary system is divided into 5. That is urine, urine, again, kidney, and the bladder, prostate, and urethra. So the introduction of the Kant repertory is completed now. Reference Essential of Repertorization by Dr. Shashikant Tiwari and Repertoire by the Khanaj. Thank you. This session is powered by Digital Version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, please mention in the comment box. I will resolve it quickly. Thank you.